Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. I hope you guys are having a super fantastic month so far. I'm super excited to share with you my June Scentsy Empties. In today's video, we're going to talk about all of the amazing things that I warmed up this month, guys, or in the month of June. Yes, I love Scentsy, guys. I'm my biggest customer. I absolutely enjoy sharing this video with you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all so much. Love you all so much. You are amazing. So thank you so much for watching. So let's get right into it, guys. We're going to share the first thing, guys, which is I had these lemon verbena pods. I absolutely love lemon verbena. You know, they come like this, guys. So if you don't know what the pods are, you get 120 hours out of these pods, and I love them. They're my favorite, guys. So I love our wall fans. You can use in your Scentsy Go and your mini fan. You can use in your wall fan. So I love it, guys. It is my absolute favorite. So yes, indeed, guys. Love these pods. So the next thing that, let me tell you the scent. Oh, I don't want to forget. It's Fresh Lemon Zest Bright Kaffir Lime and verbena leaf. So fresh lemon zest, bright kaffir lime, and verbena leaf. So I love that, guys. That is lemon verbena pod. So I am going to stack this up over here. Yes. The next thing, guys, is lemon verbena counter clean. This was so good. I enjoyed this. Cleaned up the house, cleaned up the bathroom, cleaned up the kitchen with this lemon verbena counter clean. Fresh lemon zest, bright kaffir lime, and verbena leaf. So it was so good. Love this, guys. So get your clean on, guys. I love the counter clean. Definitely love it. It's one of my best staples. Love it so much. And the next thing that we warmed up or used is counter clean pods. Oh my God, love counter clean. Counter clean is so good, guys. The pods come like this. So they still have scent to them, guys, but I love changing mine out. So I'm so addicted to changing mine out. So I love it. So that is what I use. Let me tell you what clothesline smells like. It's crisp greens, orange flower, creamy violet, and even a hint of white wicker basket will let you savor the scent of just washed laundry, dried naturally in fresh air anytime you please. So that is clothesline pods, guys. So that is clothesline pods. Love it. Okay, and the next thing that I use is Pina Colada Cha-Cha Pods. This was so good, guys. The scent is Island Coconut and Zesty Pineapple Lead. I'm going to read this again. Island Coconut and Zesty Pineapple with white rum vanilla bean. Love it. I love it. Island Coconut and Zesty Pineapple, white rum, and vanilla bean. Love it. So good. Yep, pineapple. Pina Colada Cha-Cha. Love it. So good. So good. You can smell it all. Love it so much. The next thing that I warmed up, guys, that I absolutely love is one of my favorites. It's Black Raspberry Vanilla. Love Black Raspberry Vanilla. Delicious sun-sweetened dark berries warmed with vanilla. Guys, this is so good. What I love about this is that if you put a couple cubes, just one cube in your warmers, you know how you have that residue in there? This actually cleans out the residue from other previous bars that you've used. So I love this. Put this in your Scentsy Club, guys. Add this in your Scentsy Club. And you would, use this every single month to clean out the old residue from your old bars or whatever builds up in our warmers. This is a staple, guys. And it cleans out warmers. So good. So good. Love it. So good. Black Raspberry Vanilla, guys. Delicious sun-sweetened dark berries warmed with vanilla. Love it. So good. And the next thing that I use, guys, is Berry Blessed Wax Bar. Berry Blessed Wax Bar. So good, girl. So good. Soft vanilla and cranberry sprinkled with sparkling sugar is pure bliss. Love it, guys. A Berry Blessed Wax Bar. So good, guys. Love this so much. And the next thing that I use that smells absolutely delicious, guys. For real on the for real. It smells so good. Apple and Oats Wax Bar. Rich, buttery oats, caramelized apple, and warm hints of cinnamon beckon straight from a farmhouse kitchen. So good. If you like things that smell like this, like I love oatmeal, I love caramel, I love butter, I love cinnamon. So yes, this is so delicious to eat. It smells so good, but I don't recommend you eating it, but it's delicious. It smells so good, so yummy. So yeah, this is apple and oats. Loved it. So good. And the next thing that I use is my favorite, one of my favorites, Jumpin' Jelly Bean Wax Bar from the Bring Back My Bar collection, guys. This was so good. Love it forever and a day. It brings back so many wonderful good memories, guys. So this fragrance smells like crisp pear apple, zesty lemon and sugar. So crisp pear and apple, zesty lemon and sugar. It helps evoke sweet childhood memories. It surely does. I love it. Thank you, Scentsy, for Jumpin' Jelly Bean. Love it. So good. The next thing that I use, guys, oh my goodness, guys, this is so good. Beach Bring Back My Bar. Scentsy Beach is fresh and clean with papaya and honeydew sweetened with a hint of coconut, guys. It is so good. Yes, guys. Take you to a tropical island. So I love some beach. It's so good. This is really good. So Scentsy, please bring back the room sprays and all the things in beach. Love it. So good. Same thing with Jumpin' Jelly Bean. The next thing that I warmed up, guys, is Plum and White Woods, guys. Love it. This is one of the scent of the months a long time ago. Plum and White Woods Wax Bar. Sweet raspberry. So good. Sweet raspberry preserves and damson plum weave through vanilla orchid. So good. So good, guys. This was delicious. So good. The next thing is that I love, guys. I am a lemon lover. Lemon sorbet, guys. Love lemon. Fresh cut lemon and grapefruit zest sweetened by sugar cane. Loved it. Lemon sorbet wax bar. Add that to your Scentsy Club, guys. Okay, one that I have that's so good is Pink Haze, guys. Bring Back My Bar. Pink Haze. A sweet confection of berries, nectarines, and vanilla lace whipped cream nestled in marshmallow fondant. A sweet confection of berries, nectarines, and vanilla lace whipped cream nestled in marshmallow fondant. So good. Pink Haze, guys. Pink Haze. Clean, yummy. The next thing that I use, guys, come on, guys, my favorite scent of all time now. Squeeze the Day, guys. Squeeze the Day Wax Bar, guys. Love it so much. Pucker up, lemon lovers. Pucker up, lemon lovers. You've officially found your signature scent in this tart and true fragrance of pure lemons balanced by a hint of vanilla cream. Yes, I'm a lemon lover and I'm puckering up with this great scent, guys. Love Squeeze the Day. Yes, and everything. So good. Love it. Squeeze the Day Wax Bar, guys. The next thing that I use in Squeeze the Day is the Counter Clean. Yes, love the Counter Clean. It's my favorite. Pew, 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 pew. Love me some Counter Clean. Yes, love it. So pucker up, lemon lovers. You officially found your signature scent in this tart and true fragrance of pure lemons balanced by a hint of vanilla cream. So I love this so much, guys. Okay, the next thing, guys, that I use that I absolutely love is Sea Salt and Avocado Bathroom Cleaner. You do you, while pink sea salt and Valencia orange and creamy avocado keep your spirit in flight. I love it. You do you. Yes. While pink sea salt, Valencia orange, and creamy avocado keep your spirit in flight, guys. I love it. Pew, pew, pew. Yes, this is so good, guys. Every time I get one of these bottles, and if I have 2 bottles, I literally take my bottles and be like, pew, 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 when I'm doing my cleaning. It'd be so fun. Gotta make the things fun. And when everything smells good, you're like, oh my God, I just love it. Love it so much. So yes, that's our bathroom cleaner, guys. So you can clean your kitchen with this, your bathroom with this, your shoes with this. Same thing with Counter Clean. You can clean your shoes, your bathroom, all the things, all the tough, rough residue, soap scum, you name it. It cleans it all, guys. Love it. And it seems like it wipes it off like a magic eraser in the bottle. Same thing with the Counter Clean. So good. You guys should give it a try. Add it to your Scentsy Club, guys. Okay, so Scentsy Clean, Scentsy Fresh is the next thing that I use, guys. I use it on all the things, furniture, curtains, bedding, clothes, whatever I wanted to spray it on. Pew, pew, pew. Yes, I did that. I did that. So this is white florals with a touch of spring. This is the scent of fresh, clean laundry. Softens the fabrics. So it does. It makes it smell so good. So I use this in Scentsy Clean this time. Yes, love it. And the next thing, guys, that I used is my favorite of all favorites, guys. One of my favorites, Pum Pum Pum. Yes, Clothesline Scentsy Fresh. Love it, guys. Crisp greens, orange flower, creamy violet, and even a hint of wicker basket will let you savor the scent. Just wash laundry, guys. dried naturally in the fresh air anytime you please. So I love me some clothesline, guys, especially in Scentsy Fresh, guys. I spray it on hard to wash surfaces like carpets, furniture, and curtains, anywhere I want to experience a long lasting Scentsy fragrance. So this is good. Add it to your Scentsy Club, guys. Love it so much. And you know, guys, with the Scentsy Club, you get 10% off on $30 in orders, and you get a half price item and 10% off on $60 in orders. So check out the Scentsy Club. It's free to join the club. Join Scentsy Club, guys. Yes. Okay, and the next thing is that I use is, guys, love this. Is one of my favorite scents, Shimmer. I use the Shimmer hand soap. It's sweet cherries, velvety apricots, white musk, and spun sugar. So sweet cherries, velvety apricots, white musk, and spun sugar. Really, really good, guys. This is the hand soap. It lasts a long time. So I just finished it off. So it lasts a long time. So I love, love, love the hand soap. And I've been seeing a lot of people use hand soap with some of that spray that they poured into a hand dispenser, a soap dispenser. And they want the foam, so you could try that as well. And just, you know, but I love these. These are cute. They go anywhere in the house. So if you put it in the kitchen, you put it in the bathroom, you put it somewhere where you want to have it set to the side. It's very convenient. So I love this. They're very, 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 very good. Love it so much. The next thing that I used is our dish soap, Johnny Appleseed dish soap. Just Pick Macintosh pops with apples, peels, and hint of crisp pear. Just Pick Macintosh pops with apple peels and a hint of crisp pear. So I love it, guys. This was the dish soap. I just finished this off. When I tell you this stuff lasts a long time, it's very concentrated. It cleans all the dishes, makes everything clean and crisp. I love it. I love, love, love the dish soap. You know, everything that Scentsy has in the clean line is so, so good, guys. I love it. Huge fan, huge fan. Love it so much. And the next thing that I use, guys, yes, you got to stay clean. You got to stay fresh. Yes, yes. It's Cozy Cardigan Body Wash. Fine bedded bliss in layers of soft suede, blushing rose, and amber silk, guys. This was so good. It smells so good. And I just finished it off. And they last long, too. A little bit goes a long way. You don't have to use like a whole lot if you don't like using a lot. But it soaps up and it suds up really, really good. So give it a try, guys. The Scentsy Body Wash. Love it. You're going to love it, guys. And, guys, the last thing that I use that I love is this Pristine Waters washer whips, guys. Drift easy over fresh bergamot zest, beach grass, and is it vetiver? Like V-E-T-I-V-E-R? Vetiver? Yeah, vetiver. So that's what it, oh, so good, guys. Oh my goodness. So this is Pristine Waters washer whips, guys. I love our laundry line. Our laundry line is so good, guys. You can add it to your Scentsy Club and get all these scents forever and ever, amen. Oh my God. Love these things. It is so, so good. So that's why we put things in our Scentsy Club. I love it. Just want to share that with you. We also have a bigger tub of washer whips, guys. And this is the smaller version of our washer whips. So that is it. That is all the things that I used in the month of June. And I'm just excited to share this with you guys. Hope you guys are having a super fantastic day. Hope you guys are rocking it out, having fun, enjoying life, and doing all the things that you enjoy, guys. Hope you guys had a wonderful 4th of July. And I hope you guys are enjoying this month so far. It's sunshiny, it's beautiful, and hey, just great to be alive, right? So thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you guys so much. You are amazing. I truly, sincerely appreciate you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And I hope you guys have a super fantastic week. Talk to you soon, or weekend. Talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for tuning in. Love you guys so much. Appreciate you guys. Scentsy Spirit. Bye.